Doomsday is over here. What the heck is going on? What the heck? Holy fuck! Look to this! Holy shit! Those things are so fucking big! Oh my... Wait. What the fuck? We have over here windows who are up. Like this. Holy sh... Do you hear that? Ah. There's no lightnings coming though. Ah, there. But seriously, holy fuck, I never seen such big I forgot the English name. This ice things. I never have seen these ice things before. Such big ones. I mean, were bigger ones somewhere, yeah, I know. The biggest one was like 1 kilogram. But here in Germany, I don't know. It is not normal. Look to this. I mean, listen to this. Oh my god. Doomsday in Germany. What the fuck? Do you hear that? Oh my god! There, we land everywhere now. Never seen this before. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What is with outside? Like here. Wait a second. Where so fucking big. And I'm already weak as fuck. Sounds wrong. Yeah. It's holy fuck. And the sun was shining before. Holy shit, the sun was shining before. I have never seen like such a rain before. This is wow. Okay, it's getting normal now. Yeah, it's getting normal now. Maybe one last lightning for the quote. Come on. One last lightning. It's thundering the whole time. It doesn't stop. Huh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I seriously don't know anymore. Holy shit. And if this is going like this for 2 or 3 more hours, then, well then, we will be overflooded. And this will be not good. Yeah, okay. I guess it will stop. It is getting bright in there, over there. But seriously, this is, wow. This was seriously the most fucked up rain I have ever seen before. Did you see the ice things? Holy shit. In Germany this is really big. In Germany this is seriously very, very big. If you get something like this on your head, I don't know, you will have a hole or something. This will hurt a little bit. Just a bit. So yeah. I hope nothing happened, like accident on the streets or something, or someone got hit by a really big one and got unconscious, you know. But we will see in the radio. Well, here. But this seriously is the biggest rain I have ever seen in my life. But now it is boring. So yeah, this is all what I wanted to show. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. Oh wow. Jesus Christ.